Well, looks like the GE Bright Stick is giving up after 2 years. And they predicted 7 years of use out of this. Yeah, right. You'll be lucky if you get 5 years out of this. Keep in mind, guys, this flickering is actually on the camera showing it's more like visible than what is actually in person. So this camera is not really accurately capturing this flickering. It's just this camera is just looking like it's capturing it uh, more like a strobe effect than what's actually happening. But it's flickering, like a fluorescent. It's doing like a fluorescent, one of those old school magnetic ballast T12 fluorescent lamps, kind of doing like that right now. And this is a GE Bright Stick. If you look close enough, you can actually see the Bright Stick. First, I thought that was the Philips, but I don't remember when I changed these. But I'm going to try to put dates on them so I see how long they last. But I just want to show you this LED bulb failure. It's just to let you know that this might happen to you. I had like this theory that LEDs can act like fluorescent lamps, fluorescent bulbs, the way they, how they flicker and stuff, how they burn out. So there you go. I just want to show you that in person. Now, I don't know what the other bulb in there is. It looks like, I can't tell from here. Maybe this camera can show it. I'm not really sure, but I know the other one's a Bright Stick. This might be a Bright Stick too, but just wanted to show you that, guys. Look, LED bulb failed now. I don't know, 2 years, if that. I actually forgot the last time I changed the lamp. I just want to show you that real quick, guys. LED bulb failure, China Pride LED. And it actually says in the box not to put these in an enclosed fixture, which this is what it is. It's an enclosed fixture, so don't expect the LED bulb to last long because the heat in there, is trapped, and LEDs it's basically LEDs having a shorter life in this. Yeah, its flickering is pretty bad. I have to change it out now. Yeah, I mean, this light stays on quite a lot, so that's kind of why it's like burning out right now, or starting to fail. So it's giving up from all that heat. Now, I have another light like this down the hall here, and that LED bulb sometimes just shuts off randomly. It doesn't actually flicker like this. So you guys, I had like that problem like 2-3 times already with these enclosed fixtures. The bulb just turns off when it gets hot, and eventually I guess the driver gets messed up that the LED just won't work anymore. But there you go. Feel free to comment below. I don't mean to make this a long video. I'm just trying to explain the situation and the experimentation for this to see how long it'll last. If I find out the date on this bulb, if I ever wrote it, I will definitely put in the description below when it was installed. And today is March the 8th, or March the 7th, should I say? Sorry, March 7th, I believe. I could be wrong, so I'll put the date on the description. This is recorded just to see how long it lasted. But yeah, that gets annoying. It can make someone dizzy from this flickering. Like I said, this reminds you of the old T12 fluorescent lamps that's used to old school houses, old school basements, and old school buildings. So yeah, there you go. There's an LED bulb failure. Thank you for watching, and peace out.